my channel, that's who I am. So today in New Jersey, it decided to snow and I thought it would be a good idea to make a DIY project. Now, they're not really arts and craftsy DIYs, but they are two pampering products I believe would make a great gift for a hostess, a special friend in your life, or you can gift them like I am to a few ladies in your Bible study group. Plus, I haven't met a woman who wouldn't appreciate pampering time. So the first DIY is going to be lemon and eucalyptus sugar scrub. For this, you will need sugar, oil, honey, essential oils, and dried lemon peel. In a large bowl, you are going to combine your sugar and your carrier oil. Mix the ingredients well, then add a spoonful of honey. Add your essential oil. I added up to 30 drops of each of the essential oil, but go with how you feel. For packaging, I placed mine in a mason jar, and I also added dried lemon peel. If you would like to add dried lemon peel to your sugar scrub, just grate lemon and then place it in a pan. Place it in the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees. To decorate the mason jar, I just added Dollar Tree contact paper on the lid, and then I finish it off with a bow. The second project is perfect for children or for anyone who has allergic reaction to any of the carrier oils. Plus, majority of the items you already have in your kitchen, which makes this DIY super affordable. To get started with this next one, you are going to need sugar, honey, half a lemon, and essential oils. So of course, you're going to need a bowl again to mix all the ingredients. After mixing all the ingredients that the recipe called for that I found online, I noticed that it wasn't enough for my two children. I ended up adding 1 1/4 cup of sugar and the other half of a lemon. Once I incorporated all those ingredients well, I went and I stored them in an airtight container. Now, because I use fresh lemon juice as my carrier oil, I will have to place this in the refrigerator when it's not being used. My daughter decided to show you guys how she's going to use her sugar scrub as a hand scrub. Alright guys, these are all the DIYs that I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up and comment below letting me know which sugar scrub that you're going to try. And so you don't miss any of my videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button and click on that notification bell. I do not want for you to miss any of the videos that I upload. Until next time, stay beautiful.